Violin, violin. Introducing the word violin in a similar repetitive format. V is for valley, valley, valley. Teaching the word valley. V is for venture, venture, venture. Focusing on the word venture. V is for vivid, vivid, vivid. Highlighting the word vivid. V is for vortex, vortex, vortex. Featuring the word vortex. V is for village, village, village. Introducing village. V is for victory, victory, victory. Focusing on the word victory. V is for vanity, vanity, vanity. Highlighting vanity. V is for vessel, vessel, vessel. Concluding with vessel.